Hi, I'm Liz, one of the employee owners here at Gardner Supply Company, and I'd like to let you in on something that I'm really excited about. This. How many plant supports can you shake like this and have them stay together? Well, the new introduction for gardening season 2018 is a line called Titan. The secret behind the sturdiness of the Titan frames is this one little clip called the Sure Clip. And I'm going to show you how to assemble it on your frame just to make your assembly a little more easy for you. First of all, you've got two U-shaped sections on the clip. These are going to go around the vertical bars on your Titan frame. The end of your clip is going to go around the horizontal part of your Titan frame. So all you need to do is the following. You loop the end around the horizontal part. You make sure those two loops are around the vertical part, and then you simply clip the ends of your Sure Clip around your horizontal bar. And you're all finished, and you're going to have a really sturdy frame that can withstand heavy winds and heavy plants, and what gardener wants more than that?